Welcome to the start of this week's family print project vlog. We're starting off with a eBay order today, getting the packaging done for that and putting it together. But that's what we got going on. Let's get it done. All right, we're kicking off this vlog, some PETG, drying for a few hours. So I have a little personal project I'm gonna kind of incorporate right now. But let's get these printers fired up. We got Kale in full operation. Let's get it done. Launch is now operational. We're currently in discussions for a potential brand deal. That'll be a sponsored video on the channel. We're figuring out the logistics. We're figuring out some of the terms and things that we're going to need to do for that. But that's something we are currently in the works on. As you guys know, I absolutely love incorporating you guys what it's like being a 3D printing business as well as a content creator in the 3D printing space. And that's what we're here doing today. Now that I've got the PETG all dried up, I'm actually about to load that one up and actually dry the green right now because we're going to do a fun project piece this week. We're actually going to have a little bit of fun, something to utilize for myself to practice the painting aspect of things, and something simple that I think I would love to just have, especially with being a Marvel and DC fan. And you guys will probably already know from the thumbnail of the video what we're actually working on, but that's what we're doing today. Let's get started and get the printer up and running. So, touching on that note, a couple things. There's actually two things I really wanted to talk about with you guys. Is, you know how it is. You know I love the content creation aspect. I have actually full on gone head deep into all the content that I'm having coming out. I've got daily dance content coming out on my Dubstep Dad channel, literally every single day at 11:15 a.m. and vlog content every single day on the vlog channel, the shorts at least, at 4:15 p.m. Central Time. So if you guys want to support those pages, please go check them out. There is in the link in the description box below. This is my life. This is my future. This is my passion. So if you guys would like to help fuel that, you're more than welcome to do so. Otherwise, stick around and let's hop into some good 3D printing reality behind the scenes and what we're prepping for and what getting stuff done and ready. All right, so right now what I just did was also install the new Bamboo firmware update, but I'm also in the beta version where it's going to be sending some stuff data-wise from the printers to the team there, because what I want to do is make sure that when we're printing as printers, this gets faster, more efficient, better, and if there's anything that I can do to help just giving them information with just stuff that's being printed that I'm doing already, I am absolutely on board with that and happy to do that. So let's go ahead and get that going, and I'll log in so we can get some stuff done. All right, we've got all the slices done. Now, I've never done something like this at this magnitude before, so this is going to be really fun, really interesting to see how it comes out. I'm very excited, but now it's time to get the parameters of my request in this slicer, i.e. the density, the infill, all that good fun stuff, outer layers. Let's get it done. So what I'm doing is testing to see how long it lasts. We got some more Cthulhu earrings after this has been sitting for quite some time. I would say about a month, no drying, no nothing. And we're seeing the capabilities of it sitting for a while and seeing how they come out with the print. So far it's looking good, but you can never guarantee anything. This is only the first line of a couple, and it's also the first layer. But so far so good. Let's see how it does for the rest of the time. We got our first layer here started as well. It's pretty big. It's gonna be pretty big. I'm kind of excited but also kind of scared. I've never printed something in parts this big before, other than the bat suit that I still need to complete. So what we got going on is we got a mega bust happening. It's the Black Suit Spider-Man uploaded by Blossom 2023. I don't know if he did this design. And just to confirm, this user content is licensed under the standard digital file licensing. So that's the current license he has for that. But this is what we're currently printing. So if you guys are big Spider-Man fans and would like to support this file, it is free on Maker World. Got a good amount of likes and added to a lot of people's collections and good amount of comments. As you can see, a couple people printed some versions here, and so far it looks like I'm going to be the first one ever of this size magnitude printing it as big as it is. So this is currently what I'm printing right now, just the top half of the base. So just for scaling, that's just the top portion of that piece, the first top half. That's going to be pretty huge, I should say. What can I say? I'm pretty impressed. I will have a breakdown video alone of the Area 1 filament and what I've been able to try and test out. So that's pretty nice. Yeah, this baby is gonna be quite big. Alright, now it's time to get this bad boy off. Holy shit. Damn, that is on there. Let's go ahead and get this off so we can start the next part. Alright, I'm gonna be 100% honest with you guys. This one of one bust is gonna be way bigger. Way bigger than I expected. So this is gonna be like a almost like a front yard piece to showcase or something because it's big. And this might be a fun little project I do. I don't know. This is literally just the reaction process as it's continuing to go, because what is printing right now is just like a fourth of the head. So this will be really fun. Really challenging too. It'll be very, very challenging because obviously I have to assemble the pieces together and make sure it fits perfectly. And it's overwhelming but exciting, and it's something I've been wanting to do anyways, and I've got to learn how to do it, and I have to jump in and dive in and get into something that I'm not comfortable with, because you'll find that the uncomfortability, I'm getting chills about it right now, but the uncomfortability aspect of it, because it makes me care that much more, if that makes sense, because I know what I want to do and how I want to do it. I just hope it happens that way. Things are looking pretty good, if I do say so myself. Still got about 7 hours left on this guy. We're getting there. Is the head portion of what we're printing. We'll be able to get a good start. I will need to make another order of filament because of how big this is going to be. And it's going to be really cool. Again, it's overwhelming. I'm being honest with you guys, but this is going to be a heck of fun. So fun. Time to get this bad boy out of here. Alright, we got some more parts completed. Let's go. Alright, so the other part has been completed as of this morning. Yeah, this is going to be huge. I put it on pause for now because we have just a little bit of PETG left. I want to make sure we order it to go ahead and start it once I know I officially purchased some filament before we continue that project. But right now we're going to shift over into focusing on more product prints. Getting more things like that done, and we will be assembling it there today as well, and getting a bunch of products listed on eBay, because again, procrastination, consumption of time with baby stuff and work. So time to dedicate a little bit of time to the business today and see what we can get done. I do have a little bit of work to finish first, but that is part of the plans for today. Now, as we continue and unfold this vlog, look at this. This has been filament sitting, the Area 1 filament here, sitting in open area, high humidity with the heat here in Texas, right next to a window. These blackout curtains do as much as they can, but they are not very thick. But it does get hot in here. Humidity does get pretty hot. And there's very, very minimal stringing. I'd say very impressed and highly recommend Area 1 filament. Link in the description box below. Alright, there's been a little delay in uploading this vlog. I've been trying to work on a brand deal, but I got to get this video out. We'll actually work on doing that and finishing it hopefully by the next vlog. Not 100% sure, but we are discussing some things back and forth with two brands right now, so be on the lookout for that. And it's been a crazy 2 weeks, I will say, with everything. So if you guys enjoyed this week's video, make sure you hit that like button, leave a comment. It helps the videos out more than you could possibly know. And let me know what y'all are printing right now. We are still printing some things. We're getting some things together. And here's the progress on the bust. Yeah, it's gonna be pretty big. I'm excited.